Top 5 free drawing apps for Windows. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're looking for free drawing apps for Windows, you've come to the right place. So let's begin. In number 1, we have the application called Sketchable. Sketchable is a suitable application for beginners and intermediate artists because it has a simple interface and you can very easily customize the controls as well. The interface is comprehensive yet clean and is carefully crafted to harness the full potential of you and your device. It provides wide variety of tools such as color picker, customized UI, GPU accelerated tools and canvas view smooth interactions and other tools absolutely for free. Now for the next one, we have Paint 3D. This is pre-installed painting tool in most of the Windows computer. If it's not there in yours, you can simply get it from Microsoft Store. This application is classic paint reimagined with an updated look, and it has lots of new brushes and tools that you can choose from. You can create 2D art or 3D models with this application. Next we have is GIMP. GIMP is a bit different because it is a cross-platform image editor which is available for Windows absolutely for free. You can change its source code and distribute your changes. Now, if you are a graphic designer or photographer or scientist, GIMP is an excellent choice for you because it has many customization options and third-party plugins. For the next one, we have Krita. If you want a free application with all the professional tools and features, then this one is for you. Krita is a professional free and open source painting program. It is mostly used for concept art, illustration, and comics. This application offers features such as layers, brush stabilizers, huge arrays of brushes, and more. Last but not the least, we have Pinta. Pinta is a free open source program for drawing and image editing. It provides the users with simple yet powerful tools that can be used to create best paintings. Now it has some basic tools such as drawing tools, adjustment and effects. It is also multilingual. It also has some advanced features like tracking your history and multiple layers. And these are the top 5 free drawing apps for Windows. Go ahead and download whichever is best for you. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.